Hey everyone, I'm Joanne Smith and welcome to Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make deviled eggs. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for today's recipe. First of all, we have some grade A large eggs. I have some paprika, black pepper, salt, yellow mustard, sweet relish, and Miracle Whip. I want 24 deviled eggs, so I have 12 eggs here in my pan, and I'm just going to add some water to that, and we're going to bring it to a boil, and just make sure the water comes up over top of the eggs. Our eggs have come to a boil, so we want to boil these for 10 minutes. Our eggs have boiled now for 10 minutes, so I'm going to drain most of the hot water off of them. And then we're going to put cold water over top of them and try to cool them off. This stops the cooking process, and then it cools the eggs also. So we're going to let these sit here and cool for a few minutes. And if need be, we can drain them again and put more cold water on them. Our eggs have cooled off, so I'm just going to take it out of the water and peck it on my counter all over, and then just start peeling. And you want to peel all the shell off. And then I like to rinse it off in the water. And then we're just going to cut this in half. And then we have two halves that look like this. And we're going to take the little yellow center and put it in a bowl. And we're going to take this piece, the white piece, and put it on a plate. So we just need to do this to all of our eggs until we get them all finished. Now we're ready to make the mixture for our deviled eggs, and we just need to take a fork and just mash up all of our yolks till they're really fine. Now we're going to add some Miracle Whip, and we're going to add probably 2 to 3, probably 3 heaping tablespoons. Just set that aside. And we're going to add some mustard. And we're pretty much eyeballing this. Add some salt. All this is going to be to taste. Pepper. And some sweet relish. Now we're going to whisk all this together. After you get it whisked together, then just taste it and see if you need to add anything else to it. It tastes pretty good. Now we need to pipe our yolk mixture into our eggs. And you can use piping bags if you want. I have a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to open that, and I'm going to fold the top down like this, and then I'm going to spoon this mixture into the bag. We have the mixture in our bag, and I'm going to go to one of the bottom corners here, take my kitchen scissors, and just cut a small hole, and twist my bag, and push. This is my opening down here. I'm going to push from the top, squeeze, and it's going to start coming out this hole here, and I'm just going to fill each egg with whatever amount that I want. Just enough to fill up that little circle there. See? And just do that to each of your eggs. Just squeeze on your bag a little bit and just fill up those eggs. And just do that all the way around. Now that we've finished popping our eggs, we can just sprinkle paprika over the top. And that's how you make deviled eggs. If you've enjoyed my tutorial, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you soon.